Ladies and gentlemen, Danado Boy here from Money Beats, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this wonderful, beautiful money making VTU website under just 10 minutes. Now you can be able to do this all by yourself without writing a single line of code, without hiring a professional graphic designer or developer. All you have to do is what I'm going to show you in this video. So it's very important you watch this video to the end if you are interested in making money online with VTU website. So guys, let's jump right into it. So now this is the home page of our website. You can see the register, the login, the image at the back, and these are the places of where your services are. So everything is beautifully designed. So if you want this type of home page, I'm going to give it to you for free, of course, with the script if you want it. And then we have all this, but if you want to change it, you can also change it if you want. If you have your own home page, or if you can design it yourself, no problem there. So we have all these, and it is goes very beautiful, as you can see it. Now when you click on this amber button up here, so this is what we call the amber button. Okay, then better still call it the menu button. So when you click on this menu button up here, it's going to open with option. Let me just log in and show you how this website looks exactly. So I'm going to log in here with my own account that I've created on the website, and in a short little while you will also have yours. All right guys, so let me just put in this and put in my password. So close your eyes, not see my password. All right guys, so this just going to put in my password, and I'm just going to log in. So it's going to give an alert like this that your login successful, and automatically pop up straight into the home page. Okay, I call this the home page of the script of the website. Okay, that's the first home page. Let me just go to the second home page of the script. Alright, so now it's going to tell you your name, mean the name you used during register. It's going to tell you your position. So this script has the ability of making either a subscriber, an agent, or a vendor, and they all have different prices. So all this will be set by you, the admin. So you'll be the one in charge of the website, and you can do this with just your phone. As you can see, I'm showing you everything with my phone. I will also create the website using my phone. So now it's going to show you your account number, your so automatically when customer comes to your website, they automatically get their own specific account number. It's an automated account number. So when they send money to it automatically reflects on their balance here. So you get, so this script has automated payment. Okay, automated payment, auto banking, and this script you're able to dispense airtime, as you can see it on my screen here. Let me just show you. So it can dispense airtime, it can dispense data, can rent cable TV, electricity, exam checker, and you can fund your wallet. And so you have the position of you being an agent and a vendor. So guys, this script is very wonderful, and over time more features will be added to it. So as you are creating your website, when you finish creating your website, you'll be added to the group where fellow people who owns this website are, and if you have any question you can just ask there, and they'll gladly answer this. I'm also there, and I have so many people who are like-minded who are there with you. And you must remember that this video is a no scam. Okay, a no scam video. We're not here to scam you. We're not here to take away your money or do anything of such. You must understand that before you continue watching the video. So guys, okay, let's go right into it. So let me just show you. It's very simple example. When I click on airtime here, okay, it's pop up here. So all this can be set at the admin dashboard. So if you are the admin decided to enable airtime, people can come to your website and begin to buy airtime. Let's say for example MTN airtime, is there VTU or share? So we'll leave as VTU. Put your number. So let me put in my number here and just show you how things operate. Put in my number, and it's automatically going to tell you that, oh, this MTN is real. So I'm going to put so let's put, okay, I'm going to put amount to pay and every other thing. Okay, yes, the amount. So let's say I want to buy like 500 naira airtime. So the amount I'm going to pay is 495, and the distance is 1%. So all this is going to be set by the admin. I'm not going to click on buying airtime and it's going to go, but presently this script is not going to deliver yet because it is the admin did not set it to send airtime. It's not set it to send airtime. He has not put in all necessary things, which I'm going to show you later in this video how you can get things done. So guys, let's go into the other part of the video. So now that you know how this operates, you can also buy data and the rest. You have cable TV, you set everything. Like for example, when I come to electricity, you can actually set all this. So you can choose let's say Ikeja electricity, i.e. The meter. You put your meter number. Okay, meter. put your customer number. Let's say customer number is like my own number too. Let's say meter number. I don't know what meter. I don't know your meter number. Just put a random meter number, and let me say I want to pay 5,000 naira. Customer want to pay 5,000 naira, so they are going to pay additional 100 naira as charges. So you get additional 100 naira as charges. So you as the owner of the website, is the 100 naira that you are going to get as your own profit. You must understand that. So is that price that is automatically going to attract for them. So if they are paying 5,000 naira, they automatically pay 500 and 5,100 naira. So that 100 naira is your own money. So you understand, it's your own money, and it's just like that, beautiful and wonderful. You can actually set all this later on in the video. So after I've done that, you can also do, I also have to show you these two aspects that the VTU script can do. So you can do more than that. You can actually buy airtime, data, cable, SCT, exam checker. So exam checker is like exam results. Okay, exam checker results. Okay, for example, let me say WAEC, and you can let's say you want to buy like 12, like 22. Okay, let me just say one. You're going to pay 1,800 naira, but this can actually be set. So over time, if the money increase, you can actually increase it. If it decrease, you can actually decrease it. It is simple and very straightforward. So let me show you how you can actually create this all by yourself without necessarily getting people to do it for. Okay, I also want to show you that this has auto banking. So when customer come to fund wallet here, actually enable auto banking on currently. This is through Monify. So we will show you how you can actually get your own done. That does not cost you anything. So what customer have to do is just to copy account number. Okay, it's going to get copied, so they can actually send money to you. I mean, if they send money to it, this is going to actually charges of 15 naira, which is now does not concern you. It's actually for the service provider. So the customer is going to charge extra 15 naira, then they automatically get the money straight into their wallet. So you get that. So let me tell you now how you can create your website. So the first thing you need to do is to get your domain and your hosting. So now for you to get a domain and hosting, click on the first link below. You automatically be brought to this place. Now what is domain? Domain is the name of your website. For example, let's say moneybiz.com.ng. that is the domain, and this domain is hosted in a hosting company. So you understand. So the hosting company here is truehost.com.ng. I've used them for a while now, and they are actually wonderful. So when you click on the first link below, you'll be brought to this place. Now that you are here, the first thing I will advise you to do is to actually click on the logo itself. Click on this company logo itself. Okay, click on the company logo itself, so you can actually be taken to their home page. When I click on the company logo, I automatically be brought to this place. Okay, I'm back here. Okay, I'm actually back to this place. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is where I wanted us to be. So if for any reason you do not see this, I actually the company logo, and it's brought me back to this place. So guys, so what I'm going to do is just to scroll down, so you can see get cheap and domain in Nigeria, any domain you want. So I'm going to come here and let me just search for a domain here. Let me just for a website, let me call it ship VTU, and let's search for it. So let's search for ship VTU. So you click on the name of your website and just search for it. So if it's available, you are going to know if it's available. So let's see. Let's just come here, and I might need to click on search again. I might need to click on search again. Alright, so when I click on search, you can see that shipvtu.com is not available, but shipvtu.com.ng is available. And .com.ng, as you can see here, is just 1,200. .com, I think, is around like 4,500. So you can see the prices down there, but please don't be tempted to go for XYZ. Please avoid it. Don't be tempted to go for it. Even if I see a website with XYZ, I won't have that confidence to click on it, but nevertheless you can click on it if you are sure that the website is wonderful. So although it's just a main extension, actually just a main extension. So guys, I'm going to for this video, I'm going to click on .com.ng. so you can go for .com.ng because it is cheap. So when I click on that, it's as if nothing happens. So I just have to refresh it, just swap it down so that it can actually appear in my cart. Actually, if you click on the cart itself, it's going to appear. You can see that this is my cart, or now. Okay, let me come down again. Sorry, it has gone. Okay, you can see that my cart here. So this is my cart. You can see this cart icon now have one there. So I'm going to click on the cart icon. So when I click on the cart icon, it's just going to take me to the next place where I can actually add, I think, some free other stuffs there. and I believe you like free things. Everybody like free things. I like free things, especially if the free thing is very, very beneficial. So you can see here, you can actually decide to buy it for more than 1 year, let's say for 2 years, and or it depends on what you want to do. So when you click on 2 years, it's going to load, and the price is going to increase for 2 years. So I'm just going to do this for a year. Just do for a year. So you have to just wait for it for a little minute. Then when you come here, you can see some other options that's available for you here. So click on this second one. Do not click on the first one. This first one is a paid service. As you can see, it's a paid service of 1,500. But since we are trying to get everything done almost free, click on the get DNS service, which is free. So when you click on it, just wait for it for a few seconds. So the website is going to automatically add it up to what you are getting, and don't forget that you're not actually paying for it. It is free. So you get it is free. Just for it for a few seconds. It's going to load. Just going to load. As you can see, it's already loading currently. I don't know if you can see it at your end, but I can see it loading because I'm using Combat. I can see this blue stuff just went away, and this has been ticked. So I'm going to click on the second one again and just wait for a few seconds, and let it just automatically add up to what I am getting. So now that it has added up to what I'm getting, and remember that what you just get now is the domain. We need to get the hosting together with it. So you can see what they call here web hosting. So it depends on what you want to do. Actually, I myself I'm going to start with just web hosting. So you can see it here, web hosting. So select the performance for you. So I'm going to click on get web hosting. Although we have other type of hosting that you want, but I don't think you need that one. What you just need now is the web hosting. Click on get web hosting. So you have the first one, which is truehost silver hosting, which is 400 naira every month. So I think you should go for that one. Yes, with this one you can host up to 3 domain, means that you can create up to 3 websites on this 400 naira per month. I'm just going to select. You can actually select other one. Okay, it has gone over. Actually, we can actually select other one if you want to. So now here we are. When I selected that, it actually brought me here. I don't know for the reason why it brought me here. So it's telling me that down to use the domain I already have in my cart. So I'm going to click on use. So when I click on use, it's going to click on is verifying my domain selection. Now this step is very, very simple. Don't mind me just trying to talk throughout but it's something that you can actually figure out yourself. So as you can see that before it was 400 naira, that's 500 naira if you are paying for just 1 month. Just for 1 month. If you are paying for 3 months, this is 500 naira. But if you are paying for 6 months, 500 naira. But if you are paying for a year, it's now 416 naira 67 cover. But if you are paying for the more years you pay or the more months you pay, the lower the price. So I just advise I will advise to go for just 12 months. Okay, and when you are done with that, just scroll down here and scroll down here. Now there's still other things that's going to be they'll tell you that it's available for you. You can see okay, this available add-on, just ignore it. Then this one premium SSL certificate. If you have just extra 2,000 naira, you can do that. But for me, I'm just going to strap down and neglect that and come to continue. I'm going to click on continue. So they're telling me that the total amount of money I'm paying presently now is 5,000 naira for the domain for the hosting. Now that I've gotten my hosting and domain, and I've gotten all this, ensure that you do not click another thing, just what you have here. Click on continue again. So when you click on continue again, it's going to tell you to log in. Of course, it's going to tell you to log in. So it brought me back here, and this particular place, it has been, my domain and my hosting has been added up. It means that for a whole complete year, I'm going to get my domain and hosting for 6,200. So you get, just come here and click on checkout. So instead of you paying 7,200, when you click on that link, you get it for 6,200. So what you have to do here is actually sign up. So you can actually sign up using Facebook or Google. So it depends what you want, or you just sign up normally the way you want it to sign up. But I already have an account with them, so you get. So I have an account with them. I'm going to sign up with Google just to make my work faster. So automatically I'm going to click one of my mail, and it's going to take me into where I can actually sign up. So it's going to take me in straight to my account because I already have an account with them. So but if you don't have an account with them, it's going to create an account for you. It means anytime you want to log in, just log in with your Google. But if not to log in with your Google, you can just create the account. Just create it, put your personal details, and they'll send a verification code to you. Get yourself verified and this and that. But when I create it with Google, automatically just swap in for me. That's why I love that. Google. So here I am, you choose my account, so I can have to create another one. So this amount of money I'm paying, just click on I have read and agree. So yours now, you have to put in your details. It's going to tell you where you can put in your details. For example, I click on creating an account, I'm going to tell them to put in all these my details. So but I already have an account with them. I'm going to click on this account, then just come down here and click on complete order. When I click on complete order, you pay with your card, with your debit, with your credit card. Okay, I think it's debit card. You pay with your MasterCard, your Visa, any type of debit card you have, and you get notified or send unnecessary notification to your mails. And the last thing you have to note that if you are using this service, you might need to wait for a few hours for your domain to propagate. So you may need to wait for about 6 hours for it to propagate. So make sure you get propagate means for you to get fully loaded on the internet. So now that you have gotten your domain and your hosting, I'm just going to go back. So just go back. So I'm going to go back to just click on this three arrow button and click on client area. So immediately you have gotten your domain, your hosting, you are going to have something like our services. So you're going to have one service. So personally, I have 5 domain, I have one invoice, which I'm going to take care of that later. So now I have one, you automatically have one services here. Click on the one services, but don't forget that you might need to wait for a few hours for a domain to propagate. So you get, they actually say 24 hours, but it's not up to 24 hours. Let's say about like 7 to 12 hours, you should finish propagating. So now you have done that, just scroll down here. And okay, you have a view of everything you want to do. So this have a view. So your true silver hosting, you just have all these details, literally all that details, and you are good to go. You're good to go. I just try to show you all these. So now let's locate our cPanel. From our cPanel, we're going to upload our from our cPanel. I'm going to upload our our VTU script. So I'll click on my services. It's going to take me back to my services here. Okay. When I click on my services, let me just wait for it to finish loading. I think I'm having a little bit of network delay here. So now just come here, this part of view, let's open it and see what it's going to present for us. I think it has something to, and we have all these for our view pending and rest. I actually want to locate my cPanel, so I'm going to click on this particular part there. Do you know what I clicked on? So that's my website. This is my website. So you can check out on my website. So I'm not going to click on my website. I want to locate my cPanel. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm here in my home page. So you can click on the logo and you automatically brought back here. So now instead of you clicking on one services, you can actually come straight down here. You should have all this parts except from the unpaid invoice. So then just click on this particular part. Let me show you. Just click on this particular part. Do not click on the link you are seeing here. Click on this particular part. So it means it's going to open that service for you. So when you click on that particular part, it's going to open for you, and from this part you can actually have access to your cPanel. So you understand, you actually have access to your cPanel, and cPanel means control panel. I think that's what it means actually. That's what it should mean. Just come down, scroll down until when you see cPanel. So this is the cPanel you're going to click on. Okay, let me show you this. Let me show you the cPanel. This cPanel, you're going to click on this. So when you click on the cPanel, it's going to open. It's going to open up for you like this. So when it open up for you like this, you just have to wait. It depends on your network. Some may faster or slower. So now this is my own particular cPanel. Now that I'm here, all I have to do is to upload my VTU script. Yes, VTU script, it is a bundle of code that has been written by somebody else that actually compose everything about the website. So you don't need to write it yourself, you just have to get it and upload it. And just when you finish uploading it, you don't need to do anything to it, and you just begin to operate it. It's very simple and very quick. Alright, so let me before you actually get your VTU, upload the VTU script, you need to actually put in your domain. So you can actually come up here. If this is your first time of coming here, and click on domain. So when you click on domain, your domain is going to pop up. But for my own case, you may not necessarily need to click on domain. Don't get this wrong. I actually want to click on domain. I actually want to create a subdomain for this particular thing I'm doing. So if this is your first time of creating of getting your domain, you may not necessarily to create any subdomain. But if you are creating on a new domain, that is very good for you. So you just have to just locate file manager and upload it. So just give me a few minutes. Let me create a subdomain. Okay, I want to show you actually this. Okay, this part is going to go off. Okay guys, so now that you're in your cPanel, all you have to do is to actually locate file manager. I'm going to locate my file manager. I'm going to open my file manager. So when I click on my file manager, from file manager I'm going to upload just VTU script. So if you're using phone like me here, all you have to do is click on this particular button here, so you can have a feel that you're using a laptop. I think that is very important because it will give you more features to some other things. So click on this button up here, and option is going to open up for you. Like, just click on desktop side. I believe you can see that. Click on desktop side, and it's going to begin to operate like a system. So you, for the first time of uploading, where you are going to upload your script is the public_html. This particular place, this is where you should upload your own script. But for my own case here, because I'm actually just showing you for sample, I'm going to upload the script under a subdomain that I created some minutes ago. Okay, I believe probably you did not see when I created it because I did not show you, but a subdomain is just like an addition to a domain, but you don't need to get a subdomain. Just go to public_html and be doing all this I'm doing. But for me, I'm going to put my own under a domain which is app.connectnig.com. So this particular domain I'm going to put, but yours should be public_html. So you get this is what you should open because you are just uploading it for the first time. Public_html. So now that me, I am in my own particular folder here, you are going to upload your VTU script. So to get a VTU script, you have to click on the link below. You come to my DM, and I'm going to give you the script. Now the script goes for 30,000 naira, but for everybody that comes to my VTU website, like you are watching it, when you click on the link and you come, I will know that you came from my video, from my channel. You get the script for just 20,000 naira. Now you must understand that this 20,000 naira that you are going to use to get for the script. Now this script is secured than other scripts that have been on my channel, and since it is new. If it has any problem, the developer is readily available to help you solve it, and you also be added to a community where other people like you that owns this script, that are using this script are. So if there's any question, any updates on business advice, you will get it there. So if you're interested in actually start making money online, click on the second link and you must come to my DM where you get access to the VTU script for just 20,000 naira. So yes, for just 20,000 naira. But the first 10 people that come to my DM, for the first 10 people, they are going to get it for a very more discount for just 17,000 naira. And this 17,000 naira is just for the first 10 people only. After that, when you come to my DM, you're going to get it for 20,000 naira. And please, I want you to understand this: when you come to my DM, don't come and begin to negotiate the price. So you understand, because that is the price that has been fixed. The first 10 people are only going to get it for 7,000 naira, while other people are going to get it for 20,000 naira. The first 10 people get it for 17,000, other people are going to get it for 20,000 naira. So you understand. So after creating this video, if you're watching this video later on, like let's say for like a week after, just know that you're not among the first 10 people. All right, nevertheless, so let me just continue with what I'm doing. I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to upload this VTU script here. I'm going to go to select files. So you're going to get your own select files. And I'm using a phone. So when I've gotten your script, it's going to be somewhere here. So mine is going to be on my. So I'm going to locate my device. You locate where it is. Most preferably, since I'll be sending to you through your WhatsApp, so you're going to be on your WhatsApp. So locate. Let me just locate where mine is. Mine is on my WhatsApp. Since I'll be sending to you on WhatsApp, so be the same place. I'm going to click my database. Sorry, not database. So when I click on WhatsApp, click on media, then locate WhatsApp documents. It depends on where your own is. So I'm going to locate where the script is. So this is where my own script is. VTU website.com. VTU script. So literally that's where the script is. So you're just going to have the name of your domain. So let's say, for example, we're using cheapvtu.com.ng. So that's going to be vtu.com.ng.zip. So that's going to be where your script is going to be, and that is basically wonderful. So you get basically wonderful basically. Okay, guys. So it is loading up here. As you can see, it's presently just loading for us here. You can see it increasing. Just have to wait for it to just finish getting to 100%. This is very important. Let's get 100%. We should not just distract it uploading. So let us wait for it for a few minutes to just successfully do that. Okay, now that's entered 100% and it has turned from blue to green. So you can actually cut this off, just delete it, and you'll be brought back to this. All you have to do is just to refresh it. So when you click on, okay, let's click on this three button here and click on refresh. So when I refresh it, it's going to just become like this, and you just have to locate a public underscore HTML. So this is going to be my own. This is your own. It's going to be somewhere here. Let's say public underscore HTML. Okay, but I am putting my own in somewhere else here. So now this is going to be the script. All you have to do is to unzip the script. So you click on it. When you click on it, let's see, you have to press your hand on it again until other option like this open. I believe you can see the option that open. Okay, let me just swap it down. You can see I have to press my hand on that particular option I want it to open. Okay, let me do that again in case you didn't see it. So I'm click on the script, it become blue, then press your hand on it and this option is going to open. So our concern is this particular option. I click on extract. So I'm going to click on extract, and let me just reduce this a little bit. So when you click on extract, click on extract files. So when you click on extract file, it's just going to open up for you like this. Then you click on, just close it, and you will have this. You should have this now inside your folder. So basically this is what you're going to have inside your folder. Now this is very beautiful because it's a very basic step-by-step function for you to follow. So you can just click on this readme .text. This is a normal text, and they're going to tell you what you're going to do. So now instead of you reading the readme.text, I'm here for you. Just watch this video and you are good to go. So now that I've done this, so the one important thing for us to do now is to actually get our we call it database. So I have to create our SQL database. To create a database, you can click on the home page. Just click on this logo. Click on the logo of this control panel. You will be brought back to this place. Then locate. Okay. Then locate. You can just come here and search. Let's search. Let's search for database. Just search for database, and this is going to come up. So just click on my SQL databases. So you click on that one. That is the one we need presently. So we need to create a database. So I'm going to create a database. So to create a database, just come here, create new database, and let's give it the name. Let me just call it cheap VTU. So you can just call it anything you want to call it. You can call it the name of your domain. So I'm going to click on create database. So you must take note of what you just wrote here. So you must take note of the database. So this is going to be the database name. So you have something like this. Click on it, copy it, and save it somewhere. So I'm going to save my own on a note. So you can actually save it on one of WhatsApp message. Just keep it there and save it. So we have an application known as Notes here. Just going to put it there. So the first thing I'm going to write here is DB name. So what I just need is database name. So you get DB means database. So now that I've done that, so I'm going to saving that. You can actually write it down or just copy it and paste it somewhere in your phone. So I'm going to click on go back. So after I've created the database, I need to do other thing. So I'm not modifying the database. You can see the next thing I have here is modify the database, but no, just come down here and click and come to my SQL user. So now what's your user? So we're going to create a user. So I'm also going to create a user. I like using the same thing. So cheap VTU as also the user and my password. So you can actually generate a password. This one is not something that is so difficult for you to just click on password generator, and this is going to generate the password for you. So all you have to do is just to copy the password. Copy the password. I just click on it and it will become green. Then click on copy. Then save it here to just come here. I'm just going to write DB password. Okay, let me call DB PW. I'm going to save it. So that's my password. So DB DB username. Don't forget that the DB username that one we choose is also the same thing with this. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. So since I use the same thing, so now that I'm going to come back to what I'm doing here and click on this option. I have copied this and I put it in the same place and click on use password. The password automatically gets loaded to this place. And click on create user. So you click on create user. When you click on create user, there'll be a user that will be created for you. Okay, they said I have something option. Username must be alphanumeric character. Alphanumeric. Okay, let's see what is saying there. Let's see pussy here and alphanumeric. So alphanumeric means you must have number, but okay, I think what happened was I left a space in between them. That's what happened. So when I finished typing, like, the reason why this thing is gave me a problem was I actually put a space bar. I put a space bar, so it was my space bar I think was giving the issue. So username, so I have to delete the space bar I put at the front of it, and that issue is taken care of. So we see how what we have. Just click on create user, and this is going to create a user for you, so you can see the user has been created. Just click on back. For this saved it before, actually I copied it before. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. So now you have saved your user. Now the next thing you have to do is to add user to the database. So you come here and select the user of created. So this is the user, and these are database to, we call it the same name. That's also have it as the same name here. I'm going to click on add. So I'm connecting both the user and database together, so you understand. Then when you're now back here, click on all privileges and click on save changes. It is just simple. I believe it's simple. Yeah. So now that I've clicked on see, now you can see it's already a success up here. Then click on go back. We have successfully created our database. What did I say? We have successfully created our database, and that's all you have to do here. Just click on the logo back, this cPanel logo up here, and you'll be brought back to this place. Then let's locate our file manager. Click on file manager, then you go to public_html. So when you go to public_html, you'll be back to what we have before. Now the next thing you're going to do is to actually this one here, top up made script.sql. click on it and you're going to download it. Yeah, you're going to download it. Just click on it and click on the first option, which is download. It's going to get downloaded to your phone. So now you have downloaded that, you have to come back to where we're coming from. Click on the cp file manager up there, which is the logo, or just click on back. Click on. So I prefer clicking on the logo because I know it's going to take me back to the home page of my cPanel. Okay guys, so now that we are here, the next thing I'm going to do is come to the databases here and click on PHP my admin. When you click on PHP admin, this is going to load up. As you can see, it loading up here. So we are going to upload the SQL file I've loaded. We have downloaded the other time. So I'm just going to click on click on this my particular button. I'm going to show you. Click on this button up here so that other options at the side there can open up. When I click on this, open up. And remember that our database is what? moneybiz_ship VTU. I'll click on that. It depends on whatever you call your own. Just going to be the name of your website underscore something else that you call it. So now I'll click on it and it has opened for me. I'm just going to click on just to show you where I'm clicking on. I'm going to close this option back. So we have something like this. So all you have to do is just to swap through, I'm going to swap through. Let me just show you what I mean. You click on this up part here so that other options can open for you. So I'm going to click on by importing something. So importing, you click on import. When you click on import, so this is going to open up for you like this. Then click on choose file. So when you click on choose file, then click on download or anywhere your file is. So now mine is going to be in my download. So since you are downloading it, I think it should be in download. So you locate the top mate script.sql that I've downloaded, then just come down, do not click on anything, just click on go. So when you click on go, it's going to upload automatically. You can see everything that's uploaded. So that's all you need to do in this particular place. That's all you need to do in particular place. You don't need to touch anything. So I'm going to cut this part and come back to my cPanel, then click on file manager again. That is the first step. We have successfully create our cPanel. So if I should come to the one I'm creating now, I'm actually uploading it on this particular domain here, app.connectenergy.com. You can see that it is not giving me anything now. So let me cut that out so that before it actually indexes it. Okay. Alright, so now that I've done this, I'm just going to come back to where I've uploaded my the script the other time. See, now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on core. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, now it's not going to open here because I'm using phone. So you come to this part here, this other side. Click on this other side. Let me show you. I'll just don't try to change anything there. Just click on this other part here. I want to show you what I'm clicking on. So is this side. So just click on this particular core. So yours is going to be on public_html. Locate the core file. So I'm going to click on core. When I click on core, okay, I just got an error. Let me refresh that. I think the error has to do with my network. Let me just refresh. Okay, my network is okay. I'll be back. Alright guys, so as we are back, so click on your call, click on this on the left hand side there, click on call. So the call is going to open up. So when it opens up, you have something like this in your call. If you have something like this now, so when you have something like, next you should locate is for you to locate. Okay, I think it's still the same thing. I click on call. Okay, it opens up here. It opens up here. Then click on model. Click on, after you click on call, you click on model. When you click on model, just locate, let's see, just locate. You can see another model again. Like click on it this time and click on not like click, sorry, I forget I'm using the phone. Just press it down and click on edit. So you click on edit, just click on edit again. So it's going to open up like this for you. Just go to change the database name. You can see here, remember what I told you to copy. So you have here DB name, just change this particular name to the name of your DB. So I'm going to come back to my where I saved my DB name here. I just hope you saved it. If you not save it, you have to you might need to save it. Just try to find a way of getting it back. So that's why you follow what I'm showing you in this video and ensure that you actually save it. So you understand, guys. So I'm going to click on this particular place here and I'm going to change it from what is there to my own. It's just simple. Then okay, it's going to select everything. All right. Okay, just I want it to select. Okay, let me paste it. Since I pasted it, I will need to put put the column. That's take away the column. I'll put the column back. Just have to put in the column back. And since we know that our database name and our username is just the same thing, I'll just going to just click on this copy everything. Okay, not copy everything though. I'm only going to copy this root. I'm going to change this root, this particular root to the name. So but it's swapping everything. Okay, since I'm using a phone, just have to be careful here. Okay, all right, so my network is just going off and on. So I'm going to click on this particular place. I have to click on it so that it can bring out this paste option, and I must not include any other thing apart from what I want to include. So only the root. So I'm going to click on paste. Okay, I think I just copy that. Let's go and copy our username again. So this is username. I'm just going to copy, then come back to what we are doing here. Our username, I need to change it to that. So since we are using phone, just have to be careful. Don't ensure that you do not delete any part of this code. Please ensure you do not delete any part of it. I'm trying to make sure this thing goes well. Alright guys, so this is one of the things you have to do. You just have to be careful with what you are doing, stuff like that. Then I'm going to paste it. Okay, I'm going to paste this. So I've changed it to the name here, and that is wonderful. So the next thing I'm going to change now is my password. So I'm going to come here and copy my password. So this is my password. Okay, this is a particular password that I have. I'm just going to copy it and come straight here. So after I copy it, I'm just going to come straight to this place that the web password and put the password there. So since I've already copied, just copy it. I'm going to paste it. The password automatically get pasted. So now that I've done that, the other thing you need to do is to put in your email username and your email password. So this is going to be your support email address and your email support email password. So you get, so just copy it, change it so your email and put in the password here. It's very, very important. So it's going to ensure that your script work properly. So for this one, since I'm just demonstrating, I'm not going to do it, but I will advise you to do it. So because I don't want everybody to see my email password. So I'm going to click on save changes here. So when I click on save changes, just go to see it's changing. It's already saved. So it's going to give option down here, successful. So now that this automatically got saved, and so if I should come to the website I'm creating, let's see what is going to happen now. So this is the website I'm creating, this is the URL of the website I'm creating. Let's see what is going to happen. You can see it is still telling me that this and this is not correct, but let me open this in a Cognito video, in a Cognito app, because I think it's already indexed it. And let's see. So if it's the same thing in the Cognito app, it means that we still have something else to do. Okay guys, so I'm just going to come back to where I'm coming from. Okay, let's see. I'm coming from this place, and let's look at it again and ensure that everything we have put is correct before we actually finally leave this place. Let's see. Okay, I think it is correct to my own perspective, and ensure that it's also correct to your own perspective. So when you click on save changes, you can go tell that there's nothing to save. So then click on close. Now the next thing you are going to do here, after you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to actually come back to your call again. Let's see, come back to your call, then locate let's locate include. Click on include. I'm doing everything at this side there, so you can click on include, then see site name. As you can see here, site name.php. click on it and click on edit. So to click on it, just click on it with your hand, just press it, click your hand on it with your hand, it's going to open like this. Then click on edit. When I click on it, I just press it, so the other options can come out. So now this part is very important, because if you don't do this part, you might have problem with your with getting access to your admin dashboard. So here I am just going to change. Now this one is name, so you get your site name, change it to your own website name. So I'm actually creating it for, okay, write connect nig. So put your own website name here. Now this part is very, very important. So it's very, very important. As you can see here, see, these are the options written here. If you install this script inside a folder such as Porter, something slash, like you install it in a folder, just know that. So if you install it directly on the public underscores HTML, leave it blank. So for me, I installed my old under a different folder, but for you, just since you are putting it on the public underscore HTML, just leave it. Just delete all this, make sure nothing is here, leave it blank. But me, I'm putting it under somewhere here. Just going to put the particular what I call it. So let me just leave my own blank. So let me just leave it blank, since I'm not putting it under a particular portal. So you can see that if you are installing the script inside a folder, okay, I'm installing it in a folder, and the name of the folder is app.connect. So if you are installing inside a folder, you have to put the name of the folder here. But since you are just putting your own public underscore, leave it blank. Do not put anything. When I say leave it blank, it means you delete everything and leave it just like this. That's the meaning of leave it blank. But I'm putting it under this place. I'm going to put in the name of the folder I'm putting it. So hope you are getting what I am saying, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just going to type it correctly. Okay, I don't think there's .com in the folder. Okay, let me check. Let me check so that I will not make any mistake. I think there's .com. I'm putting on this folder app.connectenergy.com, but yours is also probably underscore HTML. So ensure that you do not for your own, make sure that that place is left vacant. So the .com there, I'm just going to put .com. Where is this .com typing? No, not there. Yeah, .com. So now click on save changes, but yours, ensure that if you are putting it under public underscore HTML, which if you are creating your website for the first time, that's where you should put it. Ensure that this place is left vacant. Just delete, make sure that there's nothing there. Just only the column, the open column, and the last column should be there. I hope you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to close this now. Now the next thing I'm going to do, so if I should come to my website, okay, and I should swap it, I should refresh it, it's still showing nothing because no home page is there yet. But if I should click on underscore, I should put mobile there, it's going to take me to where I can actually sign up. So as you can see, it's loading into my login. So we're going to put in our home page, which is also very, very simple. I'm going to show you how you can do that in a little while now. So I'm back to my cPanel. So now I'm back to my cPanel. What I'm going to do now is to click on public underscore HTML. If you're using that, and make sure what I click on the folder itself, and I come back here. So if you're using public underscore HTML, just click on it, you come back here. Now I want to upload our index. Apparently on this page there's no index. That is why it's giving you this giving us this kind of long issue. Okay guys, so now to upload index, I have an index I'm going to send to you. I'm going to send it to you. Then you get the script. I'm also going to send the index to you for free. So you get the index is the home page, the first home page I showed you, where everything, this is going to be the first page your customer will come to before you can actually sign up and do every other thing. So just click on upload. as I said earlier, I'm going to send the index to you for free, so you don't need to design the index. So I'm going to locate where the index is. I think it should be somewhere down. Is it in download? Let me see if it's in download. I'll call it home page. Okay, it's not here. I'm going to press back and locate it actually. But for you, it's also going to be in your WhatsApp. I'm going to send it to you through WhatsApp. Let me look for it. Home page. Where's home page? So this is it here. Homepage.zip. I'm going to upload it. So as I seen me uploading it, so you upload your own. It should move very fast. So it should move very fast because it's a very small file, 7.62 MB. Every of the file is very small, extremely small. So it should not give you any problem whatsoever. Should not give any problem whatsoever. So guys, this is just loading beautifully well, and immediately it become 100% and changing from blue to green. It means it has fully uploaded. So now that it has fully uploaded, now you can actually click on go back, click on this option, you're going to come back here, and now you have your home page. So if I come to my website here and click on it's not going to do anything yet, but I just want to show you something. I should delete all these parts and let it just be only my domain. You see, it's still showing us the same thing. So what you have to do now is to extract this home page. I'm going to click on it, click on the home page so all that part can come. I'll click on extract and just don't put any other thing, just leave it the way it is and click on extract file. So it's going to extract that file. Okay, an error came up here. That error probably have to do with my network. Let me refresh it and see if the error came to my network. I mean my normal MTN network. I'm using MTN. I don't know what you're using. So it just maybe it came to my normal network. Let's see. Yep. So the index has been uploaded successfully. As you can see, I successfully extract the index. So when you extract the index, you're going to have this folder, all this folder there. Let me show you the folder you're going to have. So you're going to have this index.html. You also have this statistics here. You also have this media here, and you also have these images here. So that was you're going to have when you extract it. So now that we have gotten all that, if I should come to my home page here and I should refresh it, it should open up for me. You can see the home page has successfully opened up for me. So now if I click on this amber button here, I can actually log in. You can see it. I can actually log in, sign up, and do every other thing. That's just basically what you have to do. Now that you have done this, now the next thing you'll be asking me that I can now upload my logo to the home page, because when you check this sample website here, right, let me just press back. You can see that I have a logo here. You can see I have a logo here, the logo of this particular website here, and this is the name of the website, and but this is not the name of your own website, so you have to change it. So it's very, very simple for you to change, extremely simple. Let me just show you how you can do that. Okay, I'm going to come back to my home page here and come back to my cPanel. Then this index.html, as you can see it here, this index.html, I'm just going to click on it, and this is going to open. I'm going to click on edit. So I'm going to edit it. That's what you're going to do. As I told you earlier, you're not writing any code, just edit it. So now that I'm editing it, just have to wait for it to just open. And so this thing is taking a long time because of my network. So it's not because this is not it's network. So you just have a long list of like, oh my god, what will I do? Don't worry, you have nothing else to do. All you have to do is very simple. Just locate any place you see data NIG, change it to the name of your website. So this is it. I have data NIG here, data Nigeria here. I'm not going to click on it, click on it. You also have it here. Let me click on this up one here. We have to be very careful because there's sometimes that you click on something, it just pop up to your face, boom. So just be careful. So I'm just going to delete it. Okay, deleting it carefully, please, carefully, little by little. This is little by little. Okay, now that I've deleted it, I'm just going to change the name of my website. So I'm going to leave it as connect. So what I'm using here is connect. So connect NIG. So when I click on connect NIG, the one up here actually followed suit. So if your own does not follow suit, do not worry. You have to be doing it one by one. I'm just going to come and locate any place you see. Carefully, please, carefully do this. I beg you. Carefully do this. Any place you see connect this data NIG, data Nigeria. Make sure you change it to connect NIG. Make sure you change it to the name of your own website, not connect NIG. My own website is connect NIG. So just change it to the name of your website. connect. Okay, mine is connect energy. So now just keep looking carefully. Keep looking carefully, because if you not change it here, if you don't change the name of your website, it's still going to have the data Ninja at the front there. So I'm just going to come here, and so this is what you have to do here. I think this is just the clean up, I call it a clean up job for you to do, so that your website will look exactly like your own. So you get, so you're going to change it. I've changed that too. Then just come here, anywhere you see that, change it. Anywhere you see what they call the name, anywhere you see data energy, the data Ninja, change it to the name of your website. But please do it carefully. Don't just press the erase and let you just go off. Be doing it little by little. Okay, little by little, little by little. English. Okay, guys. So I have one here. Just change it, please. I'm telling this so that you can be very careful when you are doing yours. So you can be very, very careful. Do not just press the delete button very fast. You click on it little by little as I'm deleting my own here. Okay, so just go ahead, connect. Okay, I think I mistakenly put 2k here. Connect .nig, just leave it like that. Then just swap. Just after I've done that up there, that is all you have to do up there. Just come down here and look carefully, search for anywhere you see the name of data energy, data Ninja, that change it to the name of your own website. That's all you have to do. Even I need to change this one, and even when you see this Chimazi Connect, change it to the name of your website too. Okay, so just change to the name of your website. Delete it carefully. So I'm going to change the name of my own website here, which is Connect Energy. So when I do that, so the next thing I'm going to do is to now just keep going down a little bit. So I have Connect Energy. I have data Ninja here. Okay, somewhere here. You just have to be careful. This part is just like you need your own part to do. Just be careful when you are deleting it. Just be careful when you are deleting the Connect Energy. Since you are using phone, sometimes it's play like this. You click on it, it goes to another place. But just make sure that you are deleting the right thing. So anyway, I see this, I'm going to change it to connect to the name of my own website here, which is Connect Energy. Then then do that. That's what you initially have to do here, and just keep looking carefully. Anywhere you see data Ninja, change it to Connect NIG. Change to the name of your own website. So my own website is Connect Energy. That's what I'm saying, Connect Energy up and down. So change to the name of your website. Just carefully do that. Just carefully do that and click on Save Changes. So the only thing you need to do is to change. Anywhere you see data Ninja, change it to the name of your own website. Just do it carefully, and when you are deleting, do not just delete so fast. Don't delete so fast. Delete carefully. So when you do that, you can just come here and let me just, you see the magic happening from data Ninja. It does not change to Connect NIG because I've changed it up there. And so anywhere, if for any reason you swap to your website and see data Ninja, they just know that you've not changed, like this part here. So it's me that I've not changed. I've missed a place where where there is data energy, and I need to just change it to my own website. So you have it the way it is here, not different. Then you can just come down here, this phone number, you can also change it. Okay, it's just simple and basic. If you have any problem changing all this, you can let me know. I actually help you to change it. But you may not need to pay for my data. I'm just joking, but you can do this yourself. Actually, you can do this yourself. So now that I've successfully done this, now the next thing you will be asking me that how can I change this logo? So let me just come to this the way this website Connect Energy, and so I can download the logo from it. And I'm going to show you how you can change that logo to your own logo. So just click on it, and so it's going to come up here. Just going to click on download. Not download link. Sorry, not download link. Just going to click on what is download. I can't even find download. Okay, I need to get the logo. So if the logo, it means I'm not going to get the logo. So if you want to change logo, it's just simple. I'm trying to get a way I can actually get the logo. Let me see. Is it logo? Is it in PNG? No, it's not in PNG. To change the logo, when you have gotten your logo, just come straight to your cPanel. Come straight to your cPanel, and all you have to do is very simple, very simple. So if you're having any issue on how you can actually change what is on the cPanel to your own, just let me know, and I'm just going to create time to help you do it all by yourself. So literally, when you come to the index, and okay, when you come to the index, so let's come to this media here. Let's open the media. Okay, all right, you can open the media from this place. Just come to this side, and let's locate media. Open the media. So you see images. Open the image. Open the images. Sorry, open the image. You can see all this. Can you see all this? Now everything here, change it to your own, except now every time you see this, let me just show you. So what you have to do is to click on upload your own logo, upload your own favicon. Now you notice the name that is in this place before. Please notice the name of this place. For example, if I'm to locate my own favicon, I can see that favicon 16 times 16 by 16.png is there. I just have to upload my own favicon and name it 16 name it favicon dash 16 by 16.png, so that the way any place this name is on the script, it will automatically change to what you want it to change to. It's very simple and very straightforward. So you get, so that's what I think you need to change here. And also change anybody you see this FFF from this F5 icon. So if you try to change it and this icon, this name still exists, it's going to tell you that it's not going to work. So all you have to do is, before you actually change it, this one can actually just come and put extra dots at the front. This is what I mean. So if I click on this particular part, I want to change it to my own logo. I click on rename, just click on rename, then for you to change, so that you don't have any problem. Now first you're going to do is to copy it. I'm just going to copy it, then put something else here just to differentiate from what I've copied, and click on save. So it's going to change to this particular stuff. So it's going to change this particular stuff. Then you can now upload something and name it this. So any place that a favicon 16 by 16 is going to appear is what you uploaded, the new thing you have uploaded, and you have named that you have named with that name. That's where it's going to appear. So for this one, I'm just going to name it back the way it is, because I'm not going to upload anything. So you get, I'm not going to upload anything. So now that I've done that, it's very simple. Anything you upload now is automatically going to affect the home page. But if you still have any problem with this home page, you can just let me know. I can just create time for you and help you to do this after you have gotten this script. But you can follow this video and you should not have any problem whatsoever. So now that I've done here, the next thing I want you to do is to click on core. Okay, let's click on images. Click on images. Okay, we don't want images. Click on asset. So you click on asset. When you click on asset, then locate. I'm doing everything at my left hand side. I hope you can see. I click on this asset, this particular asset here, then locate images. Click on locate images. Then let's see, locate images. I'm trying to locate something I want to change. Okay, it's not in this particular place. I need to change it. Let's see where are thou. Okay, look at these assets up here. This is the assets I'm going to change. So this asset, I'm going to click on this particular asset here. Click on it, then click on IMG. Click on IMG. Now this part here, you need to change this logo. For example, you can see favicon.png. Now change this favicon.png. Upload your own favicon. Favicon means like a small logo. Like when you come to Google, how am I going to explain this favicon? Like now, look up here, guys. So when you come here, let me show you something. This is what you call favicon. You can see this particular small logo here, These are the favicons. So you can actually create a small logo like that. And so for you to make it to appear in your own dashboard here, For example, you can see that if I should come here, if I decide to click on login, you can see this logo come up. This top mate up here, it is a logo. You can actually change this one to your own particular logo, and to do that is very simple. It's not difficult at all, guys. So just come to your cPanel here. Okay, this is how I got to this place. Don't forget, I clicked on this particular asset. I now click on this image and this comes up for me. So now all you have to do is very simple. Upload your own favicon, change this, change the favicon you have uploaded to this particular name. So you can change it to this particular name, and that will now automatically become the favicon. Then upload another one. You can see be the same thing. It can be the same logo. If you don't want to you don't want to search yourself, or if you have your own favicon, you can just get it, your own logo. Let's call it logo, and upload it and change the name to the one that has been there before. So you get it's very simple. Just change the name. For example, if I upload, let's say I upload let me look for something to upload and show you what I mean. So let's say I just click on upload and click on select file. Just trying to show you example of what I mean. Okay, let me just look for something that is very, very simple. Let's see. Let me come to my download. I want to show you so you know what I mean. I just hope I have a logo here and I can use to show you an example. Okay, just sincerely okay. Now for example, I click on this. I'm just going to upload this. I'm going to upload this. So when I click on upload, that's already uploaded like that. I click on back, so it's come up here. If I should refresh it, it's going to appear. Okay, if I should refresh, it's going to appear. But if I not to refresh it, I just click on it again here, it's going to appear. So this is the new thing I uploaded. This is the new thing I uploaded. Now I want this new thing to become my favicon, or I want this new thing to become my logo. Let's say I want it to become my logo. All I have to do is to change the name of this thing to what I want it to become. So for example, I want it to become logo icon black. So I click on logo icon black here. I press it, click on rename. So when I click on rename, I just have to copy everything there. Remember, you copy first, copy. Then I need to change this one. Probably to change this one to another name, I put the dot there and I click on rename. So it's going to become something else. It's going to appear there. Then I click on what I want to change. Click on it very well, and rename appear. Then I click on rename. Then I change it to what I want it to become. So you get when I change what I will become, and it will automatically appear at the front end as that particular thing. It's very simple. So now let me do for this other one too. I'm going to upload it again and do it again. So I'm going to click on this, and this one I'll put another dot on. I'll go to click on it and click on delete. I don't want it to appear, just not for nothing serious, just to take it away so that I will know the one I want to change next. So I'm going to just click on upload again, then select what I want to change it to. Let's say I want to change it to that particular logo I used initially. This is just a demo, so if you have your own logo, there are many tools online that can help to create logo. Just search for online logo creation, and you will see them in their number. So let's say I put this again, this particular one again, I'll upload it again. Okay, and I'm back to this place. Now this is what I've uploaded. Now I want to change it to logo black. So I'm going to click on logo dark, so I say logo black, logo dark, and click on rename. It's just the same thing. You just have to just rename it to what you have created it to. I'm going to click on copy. Then I'm going to change the name. Let's say I just put extra dot here. Click on rename. So okay, now this already renamed. This is what I'm trying to tell you that it's not going to work because I already renamed. So I'm going to click on it again and click on rename. I'm just going to put something. Let me just put 2 dots and rename it. When I rename it, now this new one I just uploaded, I'm going to click on it, rename it, and just paste it. Just literally, I'm going to do copy all and paste it there. Then it's just going to swap. Do the same thing for the favicon. So that's what you're going to do. So let's come to our this thing here. Let's refresh and see if it's going to work. Now there are some instances that it might give you some issues like this, that it does not want to change. One thing you should know that it does not want to change is one. There are two problems to it. Is either either your browser has already indexed it. Computer might have indexed everything so that you may not need to be. I don't know. I just hope you understand what I mean. So this logo should change your own logo. So if it does not change your own logo, don't worry. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Let me just create account. As you can see, this has changed. Can you see what I mean? It should be top up made, but has changed to my own logo here. So I'm just going to write. So this logo I actually uploaded, Data Niger. That's this logo I uploaded. The new logo I uploaded. I changed what was there, changed the name of what was there to this, and you can see. So let me just create let me create a user so fast here. Let me just create a user so very fast here. Okay. put in a mail, and let's log into so when you click on continue, then you put in your select a state, then you put in your password. So I'm just going to put in my password here, just going to put in this demo password. Okay, and then you have to confirm the password. As I told you earlier, this script is going to be having new updates that's going to be amazing. So and it's going to make things very beautiful for you, so it's going to tell you alert registration successful, and it's going to take you straight into your user account here, just do all this. So now every user is going to have this on their account. So what the user is going to do, so they can do anything they want to do, but you have to set it. You go to your admin. So now that this is what your user is going to do, your user can successfully come here and buy airtime, buy data, and buy cable. Now, what can you do as let me log out. Let me just log out. We can I decided to log out, not for anything whatsoever. So now, what can you do at your own end here? Your own end. So let me do one more thing before I actually let go of this. Let me delete this. Let me just click on delete, confirm delete. So I actually have all these three here, and let's see paystack.png. Okay, paystack.png. Now, if for the first time of you buying this and you have any problem, the developer is going to help you to rectify it for the first time without you paying any money whatsoever. And if you have any problem to change anything, let me know. I'm just going to help you to change it. But the developer, I would mainly buy this script. I'll connect to the developer so that if you have any problem, you can contact him directly, and you'll be added to the group where if there's any problem, it can be attended to. Let us log into our admin dashboard, and let me just walk you through everything. So log into admin dashboard, username, then underscore okay. So let's log into our admin. So admin, so you log into admin. So the password, the username, you put in the username and the password, and you are good to go. So I'm going to put in my own here. So immediately you log in, immediately you get the script, you be given a I call it a default login. So I'm already logging. So this is how your cPanel should look like. It should work, it should open. But if yours does not open, now there's a reason why my own is not opening now. So let me just rectify. So if your own does not open, it's probably due to one small thing. I call it one small thing. So I'm going to rectify it now. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to click on admin. So if your admin dashboard does not open, just a small problem, click on dashboard. Then I'm going to locate index here. I'm going to edit it. So yours should open normally, but if it does not open, you can just follow this step I'm doing here. You can see that the problem is going to be very small, very small problem. So just come down here, and let's see. Okay. So okay, there's no problem in this particular place. Everything is fine. Now, one thing I want you to also understand is that whenever you buy the script, it will be tied to your domain. It means that it's not going to work except it is being tied to your domain. I want you to understand that very carefully, because the person that created this VTU script created it in such a way that if it's not tied to the database, it's not going to work effectively. So if you try to find a way of getting it outside else, it's not going to work. And one script is going to work for one domain, one script per domain, because it's going to be tied to that domain. So when you get it you only use it for one domain. You must understand this. Is very important. So let me just log into an admin dashboard, and one of the admin dashboard I have. So I'm actually successfully logging in now. So let me just log into this and tell you what I mean. Let me just show you how the admin dashboard looks like. So admin dashboard, put in my password, put in my username, put in my password. Okay, and I'm going to click on login. So now this is how your admin dashboard is going to look like. Very beautiful and very wonderful. So when you click into your admin dashboard, so when you click on this three button here, you have all these options. You have your dashboard. So this is the dashboard here where your wallet is going to show, and every other thing is going to show. You see the amount of people that come to your website, and you see transactions that has been taking place in your website. You will know what is happening, if it's successful or not, if it was failure, it was pending. You see everything. So now you have your system user. System user are literally people that have registered on your website. People that have registered on your website. You can actually block any one of them. You can edit it. And system users are the admins of your website, people that you make to be admin. They have some particular they can log in and log into the admin dashboard of a particular website. So it's a particular website. So you should be careful of whom you make your system user. So your subscribers are people that have come to your website and they have registered. So they are subscriber that come to your website and they have registered. So you can have access to their mails, to the amounts of their wallets. So it are subscribers if they are active, and you can actually view them. You can actually, when part of viewing them, you can do many things, like although you can't change their name, but you can see their transaction pin, which is that's a default transaction. But you can actually select, maybe you can upgrade them from this place. They can be upgraded from here manually, or they can upgrade automatically if they pay for the upgrade fee, which you are going to set. So that's how for this part here. Then from the other part here, we have your credit user. You can actually locate a particular user and credit them automatically. So you can credit them, just credit them any amount. So you can actually debit them to return the money from their wallet. And so we have the services here. When you click on services, it's going to take you to where you can actually set your airtime discount. Let's say for if somebody buy MTN 100 naira, they're going to pay 99 naira, so 98 naira, 97 naira for each person. For each person. Okay. Literally, that's what it means. So yeah, so I'm giving MTN 100 naira for 99 naira for the free user. If you're an agent, you get it for 98 naira. That's about 2%, and if a vendor, you get it for 3%. So just set that, and I think this part has been set for you, but you can actually change it. If you want to change it, just edit it to what you want it to do. So we also have transactions. So you know what transactions is, what is happening on your website, what customers are buying, and this and that. Then you have notifications. This is where you can actually welcome your users. You can do many other things to notification. So you can actually send notification to particular people. You can send notification maybe pop-up notifications. Everything is going to be made available. The messages, you can also set up messages. These are something that is very, very simple that you can actually walk through. Now the important part I want to show you here. Okay, we have our site setting. Now this site setting, you have a general site setting. You're going to put the name of your website here, then the URL of your website, then just put this. Then this is your agent upgrade fee. You have to change it depends on your discretion. Maybe you wanted to pay 1,000 to become an agent, 2,000 to become a vendor. Then your contact details. This part here is where you can put in your phone number, your everything. Customer can just come to the contact details and they have access to it. So here we have network setting. This is where you can actually enable or disable any service. Now by the time you get this script, more features might have been added to it, so this is going to be more richer. I promise you that this script is a wonderful script, and it's get richer as the day goes by. So we have our API setting. Now for this API setting, if you're just coming for the first time, you don't have any idea, the developer is going to help you to actually set this API. So it's going to do it for you for free. And if you don't know how to do it, I can actually help you, but it's just simple. Now this API setting, you need to go to other websites. For example, let's say I come to bigger, I call it bigger website, bigger VTU websites. So let me come to I actually use Megasub. So when we come to Megasub here, all you have to do is just to copy the URL of Megasub. So I'm just going to click on login here. I'm just going to log in to Megasub. So when I log into Megasub, I'm going to have my API. So I'm not going to show you my API because our advice is not to give anybody or show anybody your API. So my API. So this, as you can see, all this is a long line. This is a long line. That is your API. So that's what you are going to copy. So your own API for that particular place. That is my own API. So I'm going to copy that API and insert it here as my data API. So okay, so not that. So you have to come to API documentation. So this is my API documentation. Let me come to this one I just showed you now. When you click on let's see, API documentation page. You copy that API, so you see everything here. So if you are getting confused, it's just very simple. For example, we have this is the user, check user details. this for the buy data. So this place here, just copy the URL, then copy the URL. Let's see, and paste the URL. Okay, just submitted this twice. So for example, okay, let me come back to the general setting. Okay, so this is my data API. Now the first line of code I showed you before, I said it's very long, is what you will paste here. Your API can be so something that is very long, like it's a long line of code. I don't want to let everyone to see my API. That's what I said the other time. So just copy and paste here. Then you have your data API URL. Just copy that. So this is your data API URL. Your check balance, data balance check URL. You can leave that vacant, or your documentation. Everything be in your documentation. Now, immediately you set up your account, you can message developer. It's going to help you to do it if you are confused of this part, or I can help you to do it. I'm not promising helping you to do it, but actually, if I'm chance, I can help you to do it. Just to put in your UI, your API for you. Developer is going to help to do it for the first time, and every other thing is going to be done for you. But you can actually do it yourself if you know how to work around it, and it's very simple. Actually, it's very simple. Everything is in your documentation. Just copy and paste. But this video is getting longer. If you don't understand it, you can let me know. I'll be glad to answer you. Now, this part here, you can see modify setting. This is where you're going to put your modify configuration. So you're going to put in your modify API. Now, presently my modify API is on this place. My own particular one is here. That is why the automatic funding is available. So you go to modify.com, create an account, activate your account. Now, if it is requested for CAC, but if you don't have CAC, just message that support and tell them that you don't have a CAC and you would like your account to be activated. They'll send you some things you can just edit, send back to them, and within few days, I think mine took about 2 days, 2 or 3 days, but some just take hours. Just have to keep messaging them to remind them, and you'll get verified. So it's for the third one, you have pay stack setting. So we want people to actually be able to automatically fund their wallet using their ATM. Just go to paystack.com, create an account, then put your API and activate it. So, and this is going to go wonderfully well. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you got value in this video and you like this VTU script, and I think you should like this VTU script because it is secure and better than the previous one that I have on my channel, click on the link below and come to my video. I'll be glad to attend to you wonderfully well to give you the script. Now, as I said earlier, this script just go for 20k, but for the first 10 people are going to get it for 17,000, and just for the first 10 people. So I want you to be among the first 10 people. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and I love you. Look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you.